Hello everyone and welcome to A Slice of My Life. Keytalk sent over some of their products to show off, so it's showcase time. We've got two awesome keycap sets as well as a very interesting spacebar to look at, and I couldn't have asked for a better timing because I've been wanting new keycaps for a new custom mechanical keyboard build. A huge thanks to Keytalk for the opportunity. Before I show you the keycap sets, I want to state up front that these sets are compatible with mechanical keyboards that use MX style switches. The two keycap sets they sent over are in the signature KOL profile, which features a pretty stylish translucent area around the sides and the back of the keycap. Based on the graphic that's on screen, KOL profile keycaps are slightly taller than cherry profile keycaps by 2mm, and they feature chamfered or beveled corners which I've not seen before. Let's take a look at the first set. This is the Keytalk KOL WOB or white on black keycap set. These are made of PBT and feature die-sub legends. In the theme of being white on black, the keycaps are primarily black in color, with the translucent area being a dark tinted color. What I like is that the undersides have a frosted finish which adds a nice diffusion to the RGB lights, but are still ultra glossy and smooth on the outside. The legends are in a contrasting solid white and are pretty sharp. I also like that the font they chose here is a clean one, not too gamerish as can be found on many quote-unquote gamer-style shine-through keycaps. The F and J keys, being the homing keys, feature a raised line as well. This set is a 121-piece set that features pretty solid compatibility for most keyboard layouts, including full-sized 108-key keyboards. Simple, clean, and something different from a more traditional white on black keycap set, and very well priced at just $34 US. Moving on to the next set, this keycap set is named The Wandering Earth 2, which is based on a Chinese sci-fi film of the same name. I didn't even know that this movie existed until I saw this keycap set. This set caught my eye because of the overall colorway as well as its styling. It's very sci-fi, but not being over the top. Like the previous set we just looked at, the Wandering Earth 2 keycap set is a KOL profile keycap set, is made of PBT and polycarb with die-sub legends, and also has the frosted dark tinted translucent area. A couple of the novelty keys even feature printing on the translucent area. Unlike the white on black set, this set is primarily in grey with grey dark alphas and light grey mods. It also features a bunch of novelty keys in the accent color and adds a nice contrast. It blends well because some of the keys feature what I'd like to call sub-legends, and some others feature sci-fi design elements. Overall, it gives off a spaceship type of vibe without being too terminal-ish, Tron-ish, or cyberpunk-ish. Priced at a nice $69 US, this set offers a big range of layout compatibility, and that includes an extra B alpha key and spacebars for an Alice or Arisu layout. Now, I'd like to give you guys a sound demo of the Keytalk KOL keycaps. Just some top-level information first. The material and profile of keycaps will alter the sound profile of your keyboard, where taller profiles generally result in a deeper sound. Most people also agree that ABS keycaps provide a higher-pitched, clackier sound profile compared to PBT keycaps. Since the KOL keycaps are a mix of PBT and polycarb and are of a different shape and height than the cherry profile, let's listen to how they sound, and I'm also adding in a couple of different keycap materials too. Since we're talking about sound profiles, this would be a great time to show you the third product that Keytalk sent over. This is the Ghost Bar, which is a collaboration between Keytalk and Nufi. The version I have here is in the cherry profile and in the banana yellow colorway. The Ghost Bar, which is made in PBT, is coined the world's first noise suppression space keycap and is slated to eliminate the hollow sound that plagues many space bars. The magic happens on the underside. The stems on the side that interface with the stabilizers have full width ribs, and these create what Keytalk calls a stabilizer noise reduction chamber. In the middle is a silicone sound absorber that holds a polycarbonate connector. While there are other ways to help remove the hollowness of your spacebar, like filling it with silicone or adding layers of tape and foam, one of the key USPs of the Ghost Bar is that it offers no trade-off in weight. These Ghost Bars are available in a total of 9 different and vibrant colors and are priced at $7 US. Also, can I just say that I'm super happy that Keytalk sent me the banana yellow version? It's a perfect match with my PBT Fans Twist keycap set. So far, I'm enjoying these Keytalk KOL keycap sets. Having RGB lights for my keyboards are not the highest priority to me. They're more of like a cool if I have it but I don't use them all the time kind of thing for me. But the clear parts of the KOL keycap sets are definitely something different than, say, a normal shine-through keycap set or a pudding-style keycap set. Lighting effects definitely look cooler now. The best way I can describe it is that even though there is more light coming through, the diffusion gives it a pretty nice overall glow. I don't have any keyboards with north-facing LEDs on hand at the moment, but if you do, I'm sure the lights will pop even more. To wrap things up, if you're interested in any of the products I've showed you today, check out the links below. Keytalk also offers a whole bunch of other different products, so make sure to drop by their website and check out what else they have in store. And that is it, everyone. Thank you so much for sharing in this slice of my life. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like key. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that bell. Every sub helps a lot, so thank you in advance. A big thank you goes out to Keytalk once again for sending these my way and for allowing me the chance to share it with you guys. And I will catch all of you in my next slice. Bye!